Hello and hope you're doing well. Today we're going to look at Home Decorators collection Cheval gold metal nesting coffee tables with marble top. This set is of 2 tables, and the first thing that I've noticed on the box is that it has a string attached to the side right there, and it has directions where the hardware is, so it's in here somewhere. Just follow the string. So let's take a look. The box itself is about 100 pounds, so it's not easy to move by one person, so I suggest you get someone to help you with it. So what I'm doing now is covering the box on the sides and also making sure that I don't cut anything inside. So if you follow the string, it takes you to this little bag. The bag has hardware on it, and I can feel that the instructions are in here. So here we are. The hardware has letters, so you know which ones to use. It includes an Allen wrench, some more screws. They're all labeled, so that's pretty cool. It tells you what you need. Make sure that it's in the box. Pre-assembly, assembly. So let's build this. I like the finish of it. So we don't need this for now, so let's put it to the side. This is the reason why the box is so heavy. It has a marble top. It looks pretty cool. Very nice, smooth finish. A little bit dirty, but it's complete. Of course, we're gonna have to put some legs on them. Here are the legs. So here's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 of them here. So here is a smaller circle. This belongs to the first smaller table. Nice finish too. And this is the biggest piece. And I really like the way it looks. It's heavy, that's for sure. So once I assemble it, I'm gonna have to have someone help me bring it to where I'm gonna leave it at. For now, I can put it together here. So I am done putting all the screws together. I did have a hard time putting the bottom screws on the big table, on the bottom one. So I had to take off the whole thing, have a power drill to put these screws in to make sure that it made the tread. And once I did that, I took them out, all 3, and then put them by hand until they're tight. That was the only time that I actually had a hard time putting it together. Besides that, all the other screws on this table, it was easy. On the small table also it was easy to put all the screws together. Just the bottom of the big table, those are the ones that only gave me a hard time. But hopefully when you get your table, maybe the treads are fine and you don't have to do what I did. And the only reason why I used the power drill was because it wasn't working while I was trying to do it with the Allen wrench. I needed to put more force with the power drill in here. But regardless of, this is with the way it looks on the bottom. It looks pretty good. It's very nice and firm. The bottom piece was already assembled. And look, it has a very nice gold finish. A little bit of imperfections on the edges of the welding, but no big deal. I'm not gonna be in there and looking at all the little details of it. And there it is. Hopefully you liked the video. Enjoy.